Welcome! In today's video, we'll walk you through a comprehensive step-by-step checklist for choosing the right single sign-on, or SSO, solution for your IT team. SSO is a critical component for modern organizations, streamlining user authentication and enhancing security. But with so many options available, making the right choice can feel overwhelming. That's why we've broken down the process into clear, actionable steps. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, this guide will help you navigate the SSO selection journey with confidence. Let's get started by understanding what SSO is and why it matters. Single sign-on, or SSO, is an authentication process that allows users to access multiple applications with just one set of login credentials. Instead of remembering different usernames and passwords for each service, users log in once and gain access to all connected systems. This not only simplifies the user experience, but also reduces the risk of password fatigue and related security issues. For IT teams, SSO centralizes authentication management, making it easier to enforce security policies and monitor access. Now that we know what SSO is, let's explore why it's so important for IT teams. Implementing SSO brings several key benefits to organizations. First, it enhances security by reducing the number of passwords users need to manage, lowering the risk of weak or reused passwords. Second, it improves productivity. Users spend less time logging in and resetting forgotten passwords. Third, SSO simplifies IT administration, allowing teams to manage user access from a single dashboard. Finally, it supports compliance efforts by providing detailed access logs and centralized control. With these advantages in mind, let's move on to the first step in choosing the right SSO solution: assessing your organization's needs. The first step in selecting an SSO solution is to thoroughly assess your organization's needs. Start by identifying the number of users, the types of applications you use, and any specific security or compliance requirements. Consider whether you need support for cloud-based, on-premises, or hybrid environments. Also, think about your organization's growth plans. Will your SSO solution need to scale as your team expands? By understanding your unique requirements, you'll be better equipped to evaluate potential SSO providers and avoid costly mismatches down the line. Next, clearly define what you want to achieve with SSO. Are you aiming to improve security, streamline user experience, or simplify IT management? Maybe all three. Setting clear objectives will help you prioritize features and evaluate solutions more effectively. For example, if compliance is a top concern, you'll want an SSO provider with robust auditing and reporting capabilities. If user experience is key, look for intuitive interfaces and seamless integrations. With your objectives in place, you're ready to start researching potential SSO solutions. With your needs and objectives defined, it's time to research SSO providers. Start by compiling a list of reputable vendors. Look for providers with a strong track record, positive customer reviews, and proven security credentials. Pay attention to their client base. Do they serve organizations similar to yours? Review their documentation, support resources, and community forums. This research phase is crucial for narrowing down your options and ensuring you only consider solutions that meet your standards for reliability and support. A key factor in choosing an SSO solution is its ability to integrate with your existing applications and infrastructure. Make a list of all the apps and services your team uses, including cloud, on-premises, and custom-built tools. Then, check which SSO providers offer pre-built integrations or APIs for these systems. Seamless integration reduces deployment time and ensures a smoother user experience. If you have unique requirements, verify that the provider supports custom integrations or offers developer support. Security is at the heart of any SSO solution. Evaluate the security features offered by each provider. Look for support for multi-factor authentication, MFA, encryption of credentials, and compliance with industry standards like SAML, OAuth, and OpenID Connect. Check if the provider offers detailed access logs, anomaly detection, and automated alerts for suspicious activity. Strong security features not only protect your organization, but also help you meet regulatory requirements. A great SSO solution should offer a seamless and intuitive user experience. Evaluate the login process from the end user's perspective. Is it easy to use? Does it support single-click access to all applications? Consider mobile compatibility and self-service options for password resets. A positive user experience encourages adoption and reduces the burden on IT support teams. Don't forget to gather feedback from a sample of users during your evaluation. As your organization grows, your SSO solution should scale with you. Assess each provider's ability to handle increasing numbers of users, applications, and authentication requests. Look for solutions that offer flexible licensing, cloud-based scalability, and support for distributed teams. Scalability ensures your investment remains valuable as your needs evolve, preventing costly migrations or upgrades in the future. Many organizations must comply with regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, or SOC 2. Ensure your SSO provider offers features that support compliance, like detailed audit logs, data residency options, and regular security assessments. Ask for documentation and certifications that demonstrate compliance. This step is essential for organizations in regulated industries or those handling sensitive data. Every organization has unique needs, so customization is important. Evaluate whether the SSO solution allows you to tailor login pages, branding, and user workflows. Check if you can configure authentication policies to match your security requirements. Customization ensures the SSO experience aligns with your organization's identity and processes, providing a consistent and professional interface for users. Robust reporting and analytics are essential for monitoring access and detecting anomalies. Review the reporting capabilities of each SSO provider. Can you generate detailed access logs, usage reports, and security alerts? Analytics help IT teams identify trends, spot potential threats, and demonstrate compliance. Choose a solution that offers customizable dashboards and automated reporting features. Reliable support and thorough documentation are critical for a smooth SSO implementation. Evaluate the quality of each provider's support channels. Do they offer 24/7 assistance, live chat, or dedicated account managers? Review their documentation for clarity and completeness. Good support ensures you can resolve issues quickly and keep your authentication systems running smoothly. Cost is always a factor in technology decisions. Compare the pricing models of different SSO providers. Consider not just the upfront costs, but also ongoing fees, licensing structures, and any additional charges for premium features or support. Calculate the total cost of ownership over several years. A transparent pricing model helps you avoid surprises and ensures the solution fits your budget. A vendor's reputation can tell you a lot about their reliability and service quality. Research each provider's history, customer testimonials, and case studies. Look for any history of security breaches or service outages. A reputable vendor is more likely to deliver consistent performance and responsive support, giving you peace of mind as you implement SSO. Before making a final decision, take advantage of free trials or demo environments offered by SSO providers. Test the solution with a small group of users and applications. Evaluate performance, ease of use, and integration capabilities. Testing helps you identify any potential issues before full deployment and ensures the solution meets your expectations. During the trial phase, gather feedback from users and IT staff. Ask about their experience with the login process, any integration challenges, and overall satisfaction. User feedback is invaluable for identifying pain points and making informed adjustments before rolling out the solution organization-wide. Service level agreements, or SLAs, define the provider's commitments regarding uptime, support response times, and issue resolution. Carefully review the SLAs offered by each SSO vendor. Make sure they align with your organization's needs and risk tolerance. Strong SLAs provide assurance that your authentication services will remain reliable and supported. Data privacy is a top concern for many organizations. Evaluate how each SSO provider handles user data, including storage, processing, and sharing practices. Look for features like data encryption, privacy controls, and compliance with privacy regulations. Ensuring strong data privacy protections helps build trust with users and stakeholders. No system is immune to outages or disasters. Assess each SSO provider's disaster recovery and business continuity plans. Ask about backup procedures, failover capabilities, and recovery time objectives. A robust disaster recovery plan ensures your users can always access critical applications, even in the event of unexpected disruptions. Consider the risk of vendor lock-in when choosing an SSO solution. Evaluate how easy it is to migrate away from the provider if your needs change. Look for open standards, support, data export options, and clear migration documentation. Avoiding vendor lock-in gives your organization flexibility and control over its authentication strategy. With more employees working remotely or on the go, mobile support is essential. Check if the SSO solution offers mobile apps or responsive web interfaces. Ensure that authentication processes are secure and user-friendly on smartphones and tablets. Mobile compatibility increases adoption and supports a flexible work environment. If your organization builds custom applications, robust API and developer tools are a must. Evaluate the quality and documentation of the SSO provider's APIs. Check for SDKs, sample code, and developer support channels. Good developer tools make it easier to integrate SSO into your unique workflows and applications. Automated user provisioning streamlines onboarding and offboarding. Check if the SSO solution supports automatic user creation, updates, and deactivation based on your directory or HR system. Automated provisioning reduces manual work, minimizes errors, and ensures users have the right access at all times. Role-based access control, or RBAC, allows you to assign permissions based on user roles, evaluate whether the SSO solution supports RBAC, and how easy it is to configure. RBAC simplifies access management, reduces the risk of privilege creep, and ensures users only have access to what they need. Federation allows your organization to establish trust relationships with external partners or other organizations. Check if the SSO provider supports Federation standards like SAML or OAuth. Federation is useful for mergers, partnerships, or providing access to third-party vendors without creating separate accounts. Most organizations use directories like Active Directory or LDAP to manage users. Ensure your SSO solution integrates seamlessly with your existing directory services. Directory integration enables centralized user management and ensures authentication policies are consistently enforced across all applications. Consistent branding builds trust with users. Check if the SSO solution allows you to customize login screens, error messages, and user interfaces. Custom branding ensures users recognize your organization's identity at every step of the authentication process. Self-service features empower users and reduce IT workload. Look for SSO solutions that offer self-service password resets, account recovery, and profile management. These features improve user satisfaction and free up IT resources for more strategic tasks. If your organization manages multiple business units or clients, multi-tenancy support is important. Evaluate whether the SSO provider allows you to manage separate user groups, policies, and branding for each tenant. Multi-tenancy streamlines administration and ensures data isolation between groups. Continuous monitoring and auditing are essential for security and compliance. Check if the SSO solution provides real-time monitoring, detailed audit trails, and automated alerts for suspicious activity. Effective monitoring helps you respond quickly to threats and maintain a secure environment. Granular access policies allow you to control who can access which applications and under what conditions. Evaluate the policy management features of each SSO provider. Look for support for conditional access, geo-restrictions, and time-based rules. Flexible policies help you balance security and usability. Passwordless authentication is gaining popularity for its security and convenience. Check if the SSO provider offers passwordless options like biometrics, magic links, or hardware tokens. Passwordless solutions reduce the risk of phishing and improve the user experience. Your SSO solution should integrate with third-party tools like HR systems, ticketing platforms, and productivity suites. Evaluate the range and quality of available integrations. Seamless integration with third-party tools enhances workflows and maximizes the value of your SSO investment. Migrating to a new SSO solution can be complex. Check if the provider offers migration tools, documentation, and dedicated support. A smooth migration process minimizes downtime and ensures a successful transition for users and IT staff alike. Training is key to successful SSO adoption. Evaluate the training resources provided by each vendor, such as tutorials, webinars, and knowledge bases. Comprehensive training helps users and IT staff get up to speed quickly and reduces the risk of errors during rollout. A strong user community and ecosystem can provide valuable support and resources. Check if the SSO provider has active forums, user groups, or third-party integrations. A vibrant ecosystem fosters innovation and helps you solve challenges more efficiently. If your organization operates globally, localization is important. Check if the SSO solution supports multiple languages and regional settings. Localization ensures all users have a comfortable and accessible experience, regardless of their location. Accessibility ensures everyone can use your SSO solution, including users with disabilities. Evaluate whether the provider follows accessibility standards and offers features like screen reader compatibility, keyboard navigation, and high contrast modes. Inclusive design benefits all users and supports compliance with accessibility regulations. Sustainability is increasingly important for organizations. Consider the environmental impact of your SSO provider's infrastructure. Look for providers that use energy-efficient data centers, renewable energy, or have sustainability certifications. Choosing a green provider aligns with your organization's values and corporate responsibility goals. Technology evolves rapidly. Ask each SSO provider about their product roadmap and upcoming features. A clear roadmap shows the provider's commitment to innovation and ensures your solution will stay current with emerging trends and security threats. After completing your checklist, conduct a final evaluation of your top SSO candidates. Compare how each solution meets your requirements, objectives, and budget. Involve key stakeholders in the decision-making process to ensure buy-in and address any last-minute concerns. A thorough final evaluation sets the stage for a successful implementation. Once you've selected your SSO solution, create a detailed implementation plan. Outline key milestones, assign responsibilities, and set a realistic timeline. Plan for user training, communication, and support during the rollout. A well-structured implementation plan ensures a smooth transition and maximizes the benefits of your new SSO system. After deployment, continuously review and optimize your SSO solution. Monitor usage, gather feedback, and adjust policies as needed. Stay informed about new features and security updates from your provider. Ongoing optimization ensures your SSO system remains effective and aligned with your organization's evolving needs.